box.
Well, clearly it wasn't closed because she just punched through it. Ooh, Chips, look inside.
Oh my God, what's in there? Daddy talks about Maggie's sense of smell.
What do you got?
Oh, you did it!
What do you got, Chips?
What is Maggie?
Oh, now she's opening the present. She's